Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Ninja Nutri Pro Compact Blender. This is the best budget blender for protein shakes in our list. You can make the perfect sized protein shake in the Nutri Ninja Pro. This single-serve blender is space efficient and easy to operate, blending and crushing when manually pulsed. The Nutri Ninja Pro provides you with powerful nutrient and vitamin extraction performance to extract hidden nutrition from whole fruits and veggies. 900 watts of professional power breaks down fruits and vegetables for nutrient-rich juices on the go. Ninja Pro extractor blades crush through ice, seeds, skins and stems for a smooth, even consistency. Twist on the sip and seal lids and take your drinks with you. All parts are BPA-free and dishwasher safe. Extract a drink containing vitamins and nutrients from whole fruits and vegetables by blending whole fruits and vegetables, including portions that are normally discarded. Our second best blender for protein shakes is Vitamix 5200 blender. If you want a blender for making shakes, you need a blender with professional power. The Vitamix 5200 offers a huge 64-ounce container with a specialty lid and a smart, ergonomic handle. The giant motor in the base sends enough power to the blades to help blend the craziest shakes and smoothies you have ever imagined. You got protein powder? The Vitamix 5200 is going to mix that dry, flaky powder into a delicious workout serum in mere seconds. This blender does so much more than just make shakes. This machine has a motor that runs cool, stainless steel blades that have been hardened until extra strong, and a metal drive system that transfers huge power from the motor to the blades for excellent blending capabilities. For details, let's watch more.
The very first guiding principle of ours is we passionately believe in making the world a better place. If we could change the way we eat, we could change our future.
I'm going to give you a demonstration of the Vitamix machine.
Vitamix was started by my great-grandfather in 1921 because in his mind and in his heart, this is how every household in the world could eat healthier and it would taste fantastic.
Here's to your health. Delicious.
This is how we can change the way the world thinks about food.
I wanted to make people feel good. And the Vitamix gives us the ability to do things beyond our imagination.
I've had a Vitamix since I was in 7th grade. I bought one with my babysitting money. I can put everything I need into it, so I make sure I get enough protein, enough fat, enough carbs, everything in one meal. I love my Vitamix.
I use a Vitamix blender in the work that I do a lot. It's been a really great tool to show the fun side of cooking and just how you can totally let loose and like throw a bunch of different things in a blender. I think that's the part that kids love the most, and when you get those light bulbs to go off and have them connect to food and being able to unlock that potential for a really awesome life, just an amazing thing.
Over the years, I honestly don't think I've ever used a different blender in any restaurant that I've worked in. And that just shows durability and dependability is very important. And the Vitamix blender does that for us.
Food has the power to fuel our futures, and when we ensure that the next generation is fueled and healthy, we're also ensuring a healthier future for us all.
Join us in helping make the world a healthier place. Together, we can make a change that will last for generations to come.
Third in our list is Oster Protein Shake Blenders. This Oster BLSTPB blender is another excellent choice for the discerning protein shake maker. This model is also quiet compared to most blenders, which makes it good for when you need to make early morning shakes. Most people will love the stylish bottle with an included travel lid. While protein shakes may be a utilitarian nutrition choice, there's no reason why they should be served unattractively. This model is a push-tea blend machine, which gives you fine control over the final texture of your protein shake, no matter what fruits, vegetables, or other superfoods you add to your shake. This blender comes with a 250-watt motor. If you're looking for a cheap, reliable blender for making shakes, then it's low power that might not be a big problem for you. Let's watch more. Number 4 in our best blender for protein shakes list is Hamilton Beach Blender. The Hamilton Beach Personal Creations blender with travel lid allows you to make smoothies, shakes, dressings, small batch salsas and more to your desired consistency and taste with simply the press of a button. The stainless steel blades can easily cut through ice and frozen fruit, delivering smooth, consistent results every time. The Hamilton Beach Single Serve Blender delivers the satisfaction of a perfectly portioned, healthy treat in delicious drink form. It comes with measuring lines on the front of the BPA-free jar, which gives you the ability to guess less and blend more. This single-serve blender provides ultimate drink versatility and portability. The blending jar doubles as a detachable travel mug with lid that lets you drink straight from the jar and fits in most car cup holders. Our last pick is NutriBullet Pro Blender. This NutriBullet Pro features a powerful 900-watt motor with unique extraction blades and exclusive cyclonic action to break down, pulverize, and emulsify whole fruits and vegetables better than any standard blender or juicer, creating silky smooth nutrient-extracted beverages that nourish your system from the inside out. Great for those who are active in their lives and proactive about their health, the NutriBullet Pro makes ultra-nutritious NutriBlast smoothies to enjoy at home or on the go. Its compact size and simple assembly fit onto any countertop, while its cups, blades, and accessories rinse clean under the tap or in the dishwasher. NutriBullet Pro is easy to use and easy to clean, and even comes with membership to a recipe site that features over 700 smoothie recipes and direct access to registered dietitians. Simple, intuitive design makes this a device you'll use every day. Just push, twist and blend. Yes, it's that easy.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!